Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is T, and we're not looking too hot right now, but it's okay, it's all good. I'm gonna get it together, and today I'm gonna show you my full wash and go routine from the shower all the way to the final results. And the girls have been asking for a while. They've been asking on my Instagram, and I just haven't given it. So you know what? Here you are. This is a new step that I've recently been adding after discovering this wonderful product. So we're going to start with the Mono's Hair Scalp and Curl Cleanser. My hair is already dampened and parted into two sections, so I'm going to run that through my scalp, especially my edges where there's gel buildup from my last style. And I'm just taking the tips of my fingers, not my nails, because you don't want to accidentally snag your hair, and massage that into my scalp. I do rinse this product out for the most part because I need my hair to be wet for the shampoo. Now, usually when it comes to shampoo, I switch them up often. It doesn't really matter to me, but it's something about this Mono's Hair Hydrating Shampoo that keeps calling me back, especially in the colder months, so we're going to use that today. My hair is still in two sections and will be for the entirety of the wash portion. I shampoo each side separately first, and then I go in with my wide tooth comb, not to comb my hair, but just to scratch my scalp because it feels good, y'all. But don't go too crazy. Like, don't be hurting your scalp, guys. And when I'm shampooing my hair, I'm really just focusing on my scalp front to back. My hair is long, so as I'm shampooing, the shampoo will trickle down, my hair, and it'll get clean. So if you don't see me touching the rest of my hair, I promise you, it's fine, it's clean. I'm really just trying to focus on my scalp. We're just gonna go ahead, rinse that shampoo all out completely, and make sure my hair is still parted in these two sections so we can go ahead and condition. Now, I go through a ton of conditioner, especially because most times I don't really shampoo every time I wet my hair, and because it's time to detangle, I need it to go smoothly. So this Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner is my holy grail. It works for me. It's super affordable, like real cheap, and most importantly, it has great slip. I take all that lovely conditioner and literally just smooth it onto one half of my hair, top to bottom. Once my hair got to a longer length, I stopped finger detangling because it just takes way too long and I just don't have the time. I don't have the effort. No. So I take the same wide tooth comb and detangle from top to bottom to avoid any breakage and hassle. I know you guys have seen that before. Now, I used to do 4 small sections, and you can totally do that if you need to, but for me, once I mastered the 2 sections, detangling, no breakage, not damaging my hair, I just stuck with it. It's quicker and easier. Another quick tip, because we are using a wide tooth comb, not all the detangles and all that may be out yet, so I do run my fingers through the section just to, have an added layer of protection. Make sure this is like completely detangled, all that good stuff. And obviously our hair is going to shed. Because I'm in the shower, you don't want it going down the drain because it's going to clog your water, and you don't want that. So I literally just take it off the comb, take it off my hand, and slap it on the wall, and I clean the wall afterwards. Don't be clogging drains, y'all. And that's pretty much it for my wash experience in the shower. What I do, I just make sure both sides are clean, detangled, conditioned, soft, and I go ahead and I rinse out my hair before, I clean and all that good stuff. And I actually leave a little bit of the conditioner in just to keep my hair soft before I add my actual products in. While I get ready to style my hair, I just throw on a cotton t-shirt on my head just to avoid water dripping everywhere. And like I said in other videos, I do not look glam. I don't look cute when I do my hair, hence the old gray t-shirt. It gets messy. Depending on my mood, what I got going on, what look I'm trying to go for, I do part my hair slightly. I like it more messy, like a messy part anyway, so it looks more natural. Today I just parted it slightly in the middle. So instead of 2 sections, my hair is now going in 4 sections, and I work in smaller portions. Okay, I know that looks like 3 sections, but I promise you it's 4 sections in the end. Like, I know how to do math, guys. So for my wash and go, I will be using my spray bottle with just water in it, the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and the curling jelly. These are my go-tos when I do a wash and go, especially in the winter. They keep my hair moisturized, easy to put in. It's only 2 products, and it's kind of mid-range pricing.
I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is.
Okay, onto the styling. Working with 1 section at a time, I need my hair to basically be dripping wet. As you can see, it dries quickly without much product in it, and you want your product to just glide into your curls. So we're just gonna spray, and keep spraying lots of water just to rehydrate it, rejudge it. I take a decent amount of leave-in conditioner. You'll see I keep adding more as I need to, and I do the same thing as I did in the shower. I detangle again using my wide tooth comb, only because it ensures the product is evenly spread throughout my hair. Now I do go back in, and this is when I do finger detangle, because you want to form those curls again. The comb took away the curls. I'm putting the curls back in using my fingers. Okay, I know it seems like a lot of leave-in conditioner, but the back of my hair is a lot more dry in the winter compared to the front of my hair, so don't be judging. I add just a little more water to prep for the last step, which is my jelly. It has a very snot-like texture. Gross, I know, but I'm telling you, it's bomb. I take a good amount of this and really work it in using just my fingers to make sure my curls are coming back to life. Now, if you do try these products, you may notice getting the jelly in and making sure your curls don't get tangled can be tough, but you just have to work with the product. My focus here isn't to detangle anymore, it's to place the curls and clump them. They naturally have a pattern already. I just follow it and try not to disrupt it. I take a little bit more of that jelly, and this is like my top coat, my added layer of protection. I don't necessarily run my fingers through this section anymore. Like I said, don't interrupt your curl pattern. Just smooth it on like so. And because my hair is this long, I stopped doing the scrunching method. I just smooth out my ends. It gives me less shrinkage and more length and volume. And that's basically it, y'all. Let's run through it one more time real quickly so you know you got it down pat. Whether you're using these products or not, what I find is when your hair is more wet, most products are going to be a lot easier to manage. So take that spray bottle and get to work. I'm grabbing my leave-in, taking a good amount and making sure it's evenly distributed throughout the section, using both my comb and my fingers to bring those curls back to life. I wet my hair just a little bit more once again and prep for the jelly, and I go ahead and just slap that on and start combing it through and placing the curls where they need to be. Now, when I do get towards the front of my hair, I do start pulling some of those curls towards the back just because my hair is longer and I don't really want it in my face throughout the day. If I do want that type of look, I'll skip this step, but right now I don't want that. And just like that, one half of my hair is done after like a good 15-20 minutes, sadly. And we are done. Excuse my shirt. Like I said, this gets messy, y'all. And to, you know, add a cherry on top, I take just a little bit of that jelly and smooth down the top of my hair. Like I said, you just want some added layer of protection, guys. Like, this is just like the extraness. Now, I do not diffuse, so do not touch your hair while it's air drying. Don't do it. And this is what it looks like. This is not my final results. I look like a wet mop and you can't tell me otherwise. So give me like 5-6 hours and I'll show you what it looks like after it's dry. So it's actually the next morning. My hair actually takes forever to freaking dry. It was actually still a little damp in the back before I went to bed. So about like, I was right, 7 hours later. It's super soft, it smells good, it feels good, you know, it looks good. That means I am good. But no, for real, it feels amazing and it's gonna last me almost 4 or 5 days. I can do another video showing you how I maintain my wash and go throughout the week. If you want to see that, you know, just let me know. But yeah, these are my final results. I hope you enjoyed it. These are the products that I normally just lean towards. I have another set of products that I'll share with you as time goes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you for helping me hit 100 subscribers. I appreciate it, y'all. And that's it for me. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.